If an animal has an intact pustule, you'd like to sample the contents for cytologic examination. You do this by gently rupturing the pustule with a 25 gauge needle. Once there's a small opening, you can express the material, collect it on a cotton tip swab, and then roll the material onto a glass slide. The slide is then stained with Diff Quick stain and examined, usually under oil immersion, for the presence of bacteria. In order to perform a bacterial culture and sensitivity test, you need to have cotton balls and alcohol, a new sterile 25 gauge needle, and a culturette tube. If you've identified bacteria on cytology and you're choosing to treat an animal with an antibiotic that may be expensive or dangerous, or there's been no response to previous therapy, then you'd want to do a culture and susceptibility test. In order to do that, you're first going to wipe the surface of a pustule with a cotton swab that contains alcohol to clear off the surface debris. You then use a 25 gauge needle to gently rupture the pustule and extrude some of the material. At that point, a small amount of material is sampled from the surface of the pustule onto the tip of the swab and introduced into the culture transport media for transport to your laboratory for culture.